MrBeast's million-dollar dilemma, rejecting Elon Musk's offer to upload on X, the hidden costs of creating viral brilliance. Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fascinating topic to dive into. The recent revelation by the renowned YouTuber MrBeast, aka Jimmy Donaldson, about the staggering cost of producing his videos and his decision to turn down Elon Musk's offer to upload content on the social media platform X. With a whopping 225 million subscribers on YouTube, MrBeast is a force to be reckoned with in the online content creation world. So let's unravel the details behind his decision and what it means for the landscape of online content creation. Before we delve into the recent exchange between MrBeast and Elon Musk, let's quickly set the stage. MrBeast, with his philanthropic and attention-grabbing content, has become a household name on YouTube. In a surprising turn of events, Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur, approached MrBeast, urging him to upload videos on his microblogging platform, X, MrBeast's costly videos. In response to Elon's proposition, MrBeast dropped a bombshell, revealing that his videos cost millions to make. He expressed reservations about uploading content on X, stating that even if his videos garnered 1 billion views on the platform, it wouldn't cover a fraction of the production cost. It's a staggering insight into the financial scale of MrBeast's content creation process, shedding light on the monumental effort and resources invested in his viral videos. Monetization challenges on X. Now let's take a closer look at the monetization challenges MrBeast faces on the X platform. Unlike YouTube's relatively straightforward eligibility criteria of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewing in the previous year, X introduces a different financial dimension. Users must shell out $8 per month for Premium or $16 per month for Premium Plus, creating a paywall for access to a share of Twitter's advertising revenue. This presents a substantial departure from YouTube's more inclusive model, where creators can monetize their content without imposing subscription fees on their audience. MrBeast's openness to testing. In the midst of this financial dichotomy, MrBeast's response to Elon Musk's proposition reveals a nuanced stance. While firmly stating that his video's production costs are beyond what X's monetization could cover, MrBeast doesn't completely shut the door. Expressing a willingness to test stuff once monetization is really cranking, he leaves room for potential collaboration in the future. This openness suggests that MrBeast is not averse to exploring new avenues, provided the economic feasibility aligns with the colossal expenses associated with his content. Social media reactions. Now let's shift our focus to the social media reactions triggered by MrBeast's revelation. Unsurprisingly, the digital realm lit up with diverse responses. One user playfully suggested that MrBeast essentially told Elon Musk, "You can't afford me, lil bro," injecting humor into the conversation. Others pointed out the rarity of someone rashoing Musk on his own platform, highlighting the significance of MrBeast's candid disclosure. The collective online sentiment reflects a blend of admiration for MrBeast's financial prudence and a touch of amusement at the unfolding interaction. Value of YouTube views. Beyond the immediate reactions, a broader perspective emerged regarding the perceived value of YouTube views compared to other platforms. A user insightfully noted that a view on YouTube is disproportionately more valuable than a view on any other platform. This observation underscores the unique ecosystem that YouTube has cultivated over the years, where views translate not only into engagement, but also into substantial revenue. The sentiment suggests that, for content creators like MrBeast, YouTube's audience holds a distinct economic value that other platforms may struggle to replicate. MrBeast's monumental success. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the colossal success of MrBeast. Despite joining YouTube in 2012, it was in 2018 that MrBeast rose to prominence through his unique and philanthropic content. His meteoric ascent was marked by an extraordinary act of generosity, where he gifted thousands of dollars to obscure Twitch streamers and YouTubers. This unprecedented approach not only captured the attention of audiences, but also solidified MrBeast's reputation as a trendsetter in the digital space. In 2021, his financial success reached new heights, with reported earnings of a staggering $54 million. This substantial income not only made him the highest paid content creator on YouTube, according to Forbes, but also showcased the economic viability of his innovative content strategies, making MrBeast a true trailblazer in the world of online entertainment. And there you have it, folks. The intriguing saga of MrBeast turning down Elon Musk's offer to upload videos on X, unveiling the massive costs associated with his content creation, and the unique dynamics of YouTube's monetization compared to other platforms. What are your thoughts on this revelation? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of trending topics. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.